Have you ever looked at your credit card balance and thought, when did that happen? Like, look at my bye debt credit card balance. When did we get to $733? When I first opened up my account to look at something else, because I was like, dang, I haven't recorded a video for my grateful gang over here in a minute. And I was like, can I close out anything? I looked at the credit card and was like, whoa, what's going on here? Because y'all know I put a lot of cash in my wallet to not be swiping this card. But I also forgot as I sat and went with my peace over panic mentality, I was like, oh, Tara, you probably put a lot of the bills to get the points. But I have kind of been ignoring the card. Don't do that, y'all. And I wasn't really monitoring the card. Also, don't do that. And it kind of snuck up on me, and I was like, what is this? What is this? So ignoring it made it feel kind of much bigger than it really was. But today we're handling that. So let's get into this credit card. Can she even remember how to do this? Because the sun is also sunning, so I'm gonna try to stay back here. But can't you remember how to move and monitor this stuff? I feel like we haven't done this one together in a minute. So you see that we have $733.56. Oh, please hold. Phone is ringing. And she's back. Okay. So we need to pull up on me. Pull up on me. Okay, visible is pending. We'll see if it comes over. The last time we really paid anything over here was right around here. I think there was also a weird like $4 and some change in there that I didn't understand. So if that becomes a problem, we're just gonna probably pay it with our rewards. So let's start from the 11th. Is that the transaction date or wait, because I don't. Let's start from the 9th, just to be on the safe side. So let's find where we can pull up our transactions. We can do that here, I believe. I need the screen to be slightly bigger because I can't see all the words. Okay, download transactions, and I want a CSV, and I want to do it by custom date range. I would like to start around, I changed my mind, the 8th and forward to today and done, and then export. Downloading. So that downloaded into McAfee. Please let my thing download. Okay. So that downloaded into this right here. But I think that opens as a Excel, which I don't have. So I'm going to go over here now. Oh my God, I really did forget how to do this. Is it 5? No, I need more of this screen. Bring your face over here. I need more of you and less of me. Okay. So like Jesus. Okay. Where is it view? No, file. Please, I have notes that I wrote for y'all to get for free on my Ko-Fi shop. I need to start pulling them up, because why, Tara, do you not remember? Okay, import. Yeah. Recent uploads, browse. Aha! Today. Aha! Create new spreadsheet. Is that what I want? Oh God. I think I do. I don't know. Import. Please don't open a brand new spreadsheet. Imported file. Open now. I think it opened a brand new dang spreadsheet. That's not what I wanted, but we're gonna work with it anyway. I think I was supposed to put it in the original in this spreadsheet. We got most of it right. Okay. Okay. So these are what we have. Let's see where my totals are here. Let's summarize this data. I really want to touch that, but I really don't. Okay. So y'all know how I like to do. I like to put my little table around. Okay, I need the whole page right now. I like to put my little table around it, and I like, oh, because you didn't want to select everybody. All right. And then I want a little heading because I'm fancy. You fancy, huh? You fancy, huh? Yep, sure is. And then I want to see what I'm dealing with. I don't need the card number. I could pick one of these dates to look at. It don't really matter. And then in the credit department, so now we're going to work on what I need to see and what I don't need to see. Okay. Sure. Let's get a total here first. Get out my way. Get out of my own way. The sum of all of this right here, 729.06. Is that what we have over? Oh, oh, oh. Is that what we have? I don't know. No, we had 730 something. But if that's off by $4, we're gonna see. Let's see. Where's Mr. Handy Calculator who's gonna act right for us and cover my face? That's fine. It's fine. 729. Oh, 733.56 minus 729.06. 450. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, we're not gonna worry about that 450. Okay, we're not gonna worry about that. So these are very relaxed videos. If you're new here, we're not too uptight about these videos. We're just here trying to figure out our expenses. Okay. And we're learning together. Togetherness. All right. So we're good. This is okay. Plus we're gonna pay that 450. I don't know where it came from. I don't know why it's off, and it's from last month, and I'm not trying to figure it out. So this, we know we don't need this line of this payment because that doesn't help me at all. And where it says credit, I just know what I mean account, because this is where I'm going to put what account is coming out of. And then I realized that y'all probably can't see this. So, oh, I don't want my face to grow with you. Okay, wait a minute. We don't need my face to be that big. Okay. Hopefully, no, that's too much. Hopefully y'all can see a little bit better now. Let's start going through our transactions. Sam's Club. I need money. I need y'all to look like money. All right. Sam's Club is $61.50. That's for laundry stuff that I bought at Sam's Club and water and stuff. So that's going to come out of household. And we should have money to cover it in household. We're just going to HH. Asian Kitchen. Okay, Asian Kitchen, Bookseller, and Winter Plum Cakery. These are all from outing that I went on for expanding my life and having fun and making sure I do that. And it was for a Black Girl Book Fair they had in Atlanta. So all of these actually need to come out of my wallet. So these we're just gonna, out of the fun category, I need to deposit this money back into the bank. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna ride this out for this quarter. Maybe I just switched positions, y'all still in my face. Maybe, but I might go back to just everything on a card. But I want to do it debit, kind of. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. Because this moving money back and forth, no. I don't think I like it. I told y'all I've been living my life in little tiny experiments where I try things to make sure it isn't something that people are just telling me to do that I actually don't want to do, or I'm being rebellious or whatever it is. I don't think I want to deal with this much cash. I think I love it for saving, but when it's money I have to spend, and these people didn't even take cash. That's why I had to put it on my card. Anywho, Piedmont Healthcare. So this is one of the bills. So we're gonna put ops. This will come out of operating account. That's one of the medical bills that we're paying. This is another ops. This is a bill. Power, Georgia Power is a bill. Coles. I don't even know if I have enough money in my apparel for this, but I had bought myself some jeans because all my jeans have holes in the thigh now, and the ones that I've been wearing are some hand-me-downs that a coworker gave me, and they're kind of falling down a little bit. So I'm like, I need to look a little presentable, so I bought some jeans. But baby, and that wasn't a bad price for jeans because I was returning something at Amazon, and they also gave me a $10 off coupon, so that worked out. Moving on. We don't know if we got money. State Farm, last thing, again, ops. So a lot of these big money was really bills. So I've been doing really well at not just swiping my card for nothing. Shout out to me. Pats herself on the back. Okay, so hold on. Let me get the screens back in order and let's move our money so we can pay these bills. And let me grab my wallet real quick. Okay, guys, thanks for holding. So first, before we move on to the paying things, let's do our favorite thing, what makes it a little bit easier for me, and go ahead and create a pivot table. So we're gonna insert pivot table, existing sheet. Oh God, please, Lord, I don't know. New sheet. Please don't make a whole new thing. I told you didn't bill nothing. Oh, good grief. Was I supposed to? Uh-oh. All right. That's not what I wanted. Delete, please. Yeah. Yes. So I'm going to select everything I want, which I don't necessarily want that. Okay. And then I'm going to insert a pivot table. Why aren't you creating? Why? Am I just not? Hold on. I need the whole screen. Am I just not seeing it? There's no values here. Oh my gosh. I need my own notes. Please hold, y'all. I don't know, y'all. I did it right. I don't know why it looks blank, but as soon as I hit the sum of the debit for each category, it came up. But that's not what I want. I think I want the sum of the debit for each account. Sum of the debit for this is what I want. Sum of the debit for each account. I don't know why I pressed that. Okay, apparel is coming out $32.39, fun is $58.55, household 61, and ops is $576.62. That way it makes it easier for me to just pull from each category really quickly. All right, hold on. Y'all, this is Struggle City. We haven't done it in a while. Please don't come for me. Please hold. We are going to do this. All right, so let's make the first and easiest payment, which is the biggest one from the operating account. And that's going to be a total of $576.62. And that's going to come from Tara's Major Keys, which is already selected. And we don't want it due on the due date. We want to pay it now on the 16th. And we're going to choose this date and submit our payment. Oh my God, y'all, it's 16th. We pretty much halfway done with this month. Thanks for your payment. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, where's my X? There it is. Not my actual X, the X on the screen. Ooh, look at the money. I love to see the money go up. Give me my money back. Okay, next, so that we can mark, I don't know, is it gonna show? Oh, this look crazy over here. Okay, but here's my little dropper, and we're gonna mark that in green. Can we get back to our normal view? Hide the, no. Okay. And then we have our next thing, which is household. Ooh, do we have enough money? These are the questions. No, household should definitely have enough money. Apparel is my actual question. Okay. Household 164. Household is good. Apparel, where are you? Because I feel like I haven't put money in apparel for a while, and I keep saying, okay, all right, we're okay. But we definitely need to consider putting some money in there. So let's go back to our bill. We can pay both of these. Love this for me. As soon as I can move my face. Okay, make a payment we're just going to go started from the bottom. Now we're here. We're at $61.50. And we're not paying from that account. We're now paying from household. No, yeah, I always try to type here, but it doesn't work. Household bulk toiletries is the one we need. Choose this account. Select the date today. And choose this date and submit my payments. And like we like to say, success. You're welcome. That one's done. And then it only shows you the nice money up the first time. So you have to enjoy that the first time. Then we're going to make our last payment, which is 58. Nope, that ain't it. $32.39, which is coming from apparel. Any day now. Hello. Did I press the button? Maybe I didn't press the button. Apparel. Got it. And today is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day. I need to get back to church. Come on. All right. Thanks, fool, for your payment. You're welcome. Success. Ooh, 50. That 50 something we got to take care in another way. So these two, oh boy, I'm going to press a button and it's going to act crazy. Here we go. I should have selected both of them at the same time. Wait a minute. This and this, so that we can do this at the same time. The same time. Okay, so the only thing we haven't paid is $58.55, and let's just double check our payments really quickly. Yeah, that's fine. Over my face is fine. 576.62 plus 61.50 plus 32.39 is 670.51 minus 733.56, which is not going to say 56 whatever because we need to add 450 or something that we missed. So yes, so that's 58.55. Okay. Perfect. So basically $60 because I don't think I have 58.50. I'm not going to be able to put 55 cents in the bank. Okay, well, in the ATM, I wouldn't be able to. And then when this clears, I'll just pay that $25 on my own because again, that's sitting right in the account. Let me see if I can set y'all up to see inside the wallet so we can grab the money and then we can get out of here. All right, all right. Okay, guys, so I think you can kind of see it. Might be a little upside down for you, but we're going to do it real quick. So I'm trying to take, oh, fun is right in the front. Amazing. We're going to take out $60 out of fun. Ooh, I feel like y'all fail. Oh, no. Oh, no. Maybe all of that staying in there because I don't edit these videos. Let me just tell you right now. Okay, and so let's pull out our 60, 20, 40, 60. I don't have change. I have $60 coming out. And what do we have left? We need to put more into fun because summertime. 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 Okay? 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40. Ugh, we only have 140. I like to keep this in the twos. We ain't even out of July yet, huh? Come on. Come on in the room. I said, come on in the room. Okay, y'all, I need to stop playing. Anyway, this $60, I don't know where I went with my wallet. We're going to put that in the back here in our miscellaneous, which basically means go back to the bank. And I'll drop that off as soon as possible so I can pay down my credit card. All right. Okay, guys, I think that is it. So we got the 733 down to, it will be at zero by the time I deposit the money and use the 450 on my rewards. I've got $109 in rewards. It's fine. So that's it for me today. I know it was a little bumpy, a little rocky, a little all over the place, but it's been a while since I've done my expense tracking that way. So remembrance. I think I did okay. How did I do in the comments? And have you been tracking your expenses? Don't let that credit card sneak up on you, sis. Don't let it sneak up on you, bro. Please check it on a daily or at least once a week. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all remember, in order to be great, you got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.